Hey everybody, welcome. I'm not doing my usual video today. I'm actually going to be talking about jump board installation. So here we have a Peak Pilates Artistry unit, and you'll notice that it's the Artistry unit because of the shape of the foot bar. Now, however, the Legacy unit over here has a more rounded foot bar and doesn't have a safety feature on the gear bar. So back to the Artistry, that has a little hook here. So if your client is able to pull back, this stops them. On the Legacy, it does not have that option. Now that we have that covered, let's talk about the jump boards. So the jump boards for the Legacy unit behind me, you'll see that it's shaped quite a bit differently. And it has these knobs right on the bottom. I will post a different video on how to set up the jump board on a Legacy unit. So for the Artistry, you'll see that it is shaped quite a bit differently. It's more square as opposed to the other one. Now, the setup for the jump board. You have an optional cover that does not come with your jump board that you can put on here to mitigate so it doesn't wiggle or have any problems wiggling while you're doing the jumping. So what we're going to do is put it in the second position, so not on the black cap, but the one directly down. You have all your springs set up. All you're going to do is come around, put the jump board in front of your foot bar in the little groove, and I'll also place a picture of that in there. So once your jump board is secure, you're able to start doing the movements. Now what this added pad does is it doesn't allow any movement with the jump board. Now if you didn't have the pad, take it off, see that it's just Velcro and it just goes right around the foot bar. And if you're using the jump board, you'll notice it has a little bit of play if it does not have this little pad. So those are your steps to installing the jump board on a Peak Pilates Artistry unit with the rounded foot bar. If you happen to have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me on the comment section down below. I will also link up the video on how to install the jump board on the Legacy unit behind me. So that way you can have them both. So if you happen to buy a new reformer, the Artistry line, and you get the jump board and you don't know how to do it, this is your way. That way you don't ruin your piece of equipment. Because if it's not set up properly, you could damage the JBA bar, which is the bar that goes right across in front of your foot bar. So I'll take this off. I'll put this back. So your JBA bar is this bar right here. This is your foot bar. The JBA bar locks into place on the 3 notches on your reformer. Hopefully that helped you guys. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Lisa, Denver Pilates Girl. Bye.